Plato's Phaedo is a very unique dialogue that explores questions concerning how we should live our lives in preparation for the afterlife. We'll focus on three main themes at first. The first theme is related to a challenging philosophical question. How should we approach death? Socrates says that we should be calm and serene in the face of death if we're true philosophers. Why? Because philosophy is a training for dying in death. But what does that mean? Plato's theory of forms is our second theme. Forms are the eternal, absolute, real concepts we try to understand intellectually. For Plato, these concepts exist in a transcendental realm, which is where our soul goes after we die. So, philosophers can continue the quest for conceptual understanding and wisdom in the afterlife. Our third theme is the transmigration of the soul. In the first half of Phaedo, Plato presents two arguments that together suggest that the soul is immortal and engaged in an eternal cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. But what is a soul, and how good are Plato's arguments? As you read Phaedo for these themes, consider asking yourself these questions from time to time. What is Socrates doing? What argument is he presenting, and how is he presenting it? What is Plato doing? Why did Plato write the dialogue the way he did? What are we doing? What were you thinking about while you were reading Phaedo? Reading Plato's Phaedo can be challenging but rewarding. One thing I'm always reminded of when I read Phaedo is that we're still not very clear about the difference between living and non-living things. Do you think modern biology can help us answer some of the questions Plato raised?